Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
I'm Harshita Singh and my team name is AWDS and my team leader is Mr. Ajay Yadav, including my team members Mr. Gaurav Singh and Mr. Shivam Singh. Welcome to our presentation, Animal Detection and Warning System. It is mainly that we have made our innovative solution which we will put on road safety of animals. It is a solution we are using sensor technologies and solar power to detect the animal nearby on roads and give a alert to driver to prevent the accidents on road.
सर बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जो रोड पे जो एक्सीडेंट्स वगैरह होते हैं 2023 में रिसर्च हुआ तो सबसे ज़्यादा मेन चीज़ क्या आया कि एनिमल्स की वजह से हो रहा है। एनिमल रोड पे आ जा रहे हैं, कई सारी चीज़ें जैसे कुत्ता बिल्ली या फिर कोई जानवर आ जा रहा है रोड पे, तो इस वजह से बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं। तो हमने ये चीज़ें बनाई जिससे एक्सीडेंट जो है थोड़ा सा कम हो जाए।
So the solution is we are developing a device that will detect the presence of animal, and if any animal is crossing the road, then our device will detect the coming of animal. We are using solar power sensor, infrared motion, solar power that will charge the device, and second one infrared motion that will detect the heat signature of the motion, ultrasonic motion that will detect the sound of any animal. If any animal is coming, that this sensor will detect the motion. Then CPU warning signal and roadside road. Actually the CPU will process the data which is given by the above sender, and warning signal will be used on the top of road like speedometer that shows the speed of any vehicle, and we can customize that device so that we can know the animal is crossing and present any animal, and roadside right. So next one is how it works. So the CPU will capture the data from infrared, ultrasonic sensors, and it will process, and this will use AI algorithm and a real-time connectivity, so we can know the any animal is coming or crossing the road. Next one is advantage of the system. This is eco-friendly and this is cost-effective. We can use this to the existing system, and next one is scalability, real-time alert. We are giving real-time connectivity. For example, if any animal is coming to road, then the device will detect animals and it will show the ride. And right now we are coming a technology that will in the car like ABS technology. अगर हम बात करें टाटा पंच में या बहुत सी गाड़ियों में ABS टेक्नोलॉजी आती है जो कि एनिमल्स और ह्यूमंस के डिटेक्शन को पहचान लेता है। तो ये हम उनसे कनेक्टिविटी करके अगर सामने कोई दूर एनिमल है जो कि वहाँ तक उनसे नहीं पाता है, तो उसे कनेक्टिविटी करके दूर का जो एनिमल्स है वो यहाँ तक के पहुँचा सकते हैं।
So mostly for market opportunity, we are focusing towards the transportation agencies. Like for example, I can say that Uttar Pradesh Parivahan can take this and use for protection of animals as humanity, and wildlife conservation and the zoos and the wildlife sanctuaries. We can put this our device there to protect the animal and also to the humans. And for a smart city, as our government is taking many initiative to make the cities smart, we can put our this type of device in traffic and street light and other places to prevent this. And insurance company has also benefit from this because the claims from the accident of vehicles will be reduces, and they have the profit from it. And opportunity growth, we can make partnership, and it is fully customized as per needed by the customer. We can make the device, and we will make the awareness campaign as focusing towards the preventing animals and showing the humanity towards them.
Now I'm presenting a business model. सर हम लोग सबसे पहले डायरेक्ट सेलिंग करेंगे जिसमें हम लोग का B2B होगा, B2C भी होगा और सर एंड B2G भी होगा। सो उसके बाद फिर हम लोग सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल रहेगा जिसमें सर इसमें एड ऑन फीचर्स होंगे। सर नाउ सर पार्टनरशिप है विद द एग्रीकल्चर्स एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सर इसको सर हम लोग जू में भी सेल्स कर सकते हैं। सर एग्रीकल्चर सर जिनके पास ज़्यादा में सर मतलब खेती हो सर उनको भी हम लोग दे सकते हैं सर। थैंक यू।
आपका जो सिस्टम है ये तो कहीं भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, वाई ओनली एनिमल्स? collision detection and then उससे prevention के लिए you can use it anywhere.
Yes, sir, but basically we are focusing on road safety because the number of road accidents is much more.
इससे तो आप एक्सीडेंट भी रोक सकते हो ना, बाकी सिर्फ एनिमल्स के नहीं, कुछ भी आप collision detection करके you can help anywhere, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
why only animals? जो आपने टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ की है, you can, it has multiple use cases. तो why are you taking only animals? दो cars जा रही है, आपस में एक्सीडेंट रोक सकते हो using that. So why you are saying only animals?
Sir, right now we are presenting the idea and we will work upon it, and as a suggestion I will work upon this.
Sure, thank you.
दैट मीन्स ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी ऑलरेडी है बस उसका आप एक नया यूज़ केस बता रहे हो कि एनिमल सेफ्टी के लिए करना है, तो टेक्नोलॉजी में कुछ नया है आपका?
No, sir, we are using innovation with combination.
इनोवेशन इन कॉम्बिनेशन, दैट मीन्स देयर इज इनोवेशन इन द यूज़ केस नॉट इन द टेक्नोलॉजी.
Yes, sir, हमने कई चीज़ों को कंबाइन करके एक नया सिस्टम बना रहे हैं हम लोग.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.